Xiaomi Poco F5 Pro. Network technology. GSM, HSPA, LTE, 5G. Launch. 2023, May 9. Status coming soon. Express release 2023, May. Body dimensions. 162.8 by 75.4 by 8.6 mm. 6.41 by 2.97 by 0.34 in. Weight 204 grams, 7.20 ounces. SIM. Dual SIM, Nano-SIM, dual standby, IP53, dust and splash resistant. Display type. AMOLED, 68B colors, 120 Hz, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 500 nits, type, 1000 nits, HBM, 1400 nits, peak. Size. 6.67 inches, 107.4 square centimeters, approximately 87.5% screen-to-body ratio. Resolution. 1440 by 3200 pixels, 20:9 ratio, approximately 526 pixels per inch density. Protection. Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Platform. Android 13, MIUI 14 for Poco. Chipset. Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus General 1, 4 nm. CPU. Octa-core, 1 by 3.0 GHz Cortex-X2 and 3 by 2.5 GHz Cortex-A710 and 4 by 1.80 GHz Cortex-A510, GPU. Adreno 730 memory, card slot, not available. Internal 256 GB 8 GB RAM, 256 GB 12 GB RAM, 512 GB 12 GB RAM. UFS 3.1. Main camera. Triple 64 megapixels, f/1.8, wide, 1/2, 0.7 micrometers, PDAF, OIS. 8 megapixels, f/2.2, 120, ultrawide, 1/4, 1.12 micrometers. 2 megapixels, f/2.4, macro. Features. Dual LED dual-tone flash, HDR, panorama. Video. 8K at 24 fps, 4K at 30/60 fps, 1080p at 30/60, 120/240 fps, Euro ICE. Selfie camera single, 16 megapixels, f/2.5, wide, 1/3.06, 1.0 micrometers. Features. HDR. Video. 1080p at 30/60 fps. Sound loudspeaker. Yes, with stereo speakers. 3.5 mm jack number 24-bit, 192 kHz audio. Comms. Wi-Fi 802.11a, B per gram, N, AC, 6, dual band. Bluetooth. 5.3, A2DP, LA. Positioning. GPS, L1, GLONASS, G1, BDS, B1I, Galileo, E1, QZSS, L1. NFC. Yes, market, region dependent. Infrared port. Yes. USB. USB Type-C 2.0. OTG features sensors fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, comp. Subscribe.